Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are well. In previous video we have completed our first half of the chapter making of a family. In this video we are going to start second half of the chapter. Till now we have studied that Sandeep has come to know about the family change in size. I hope you all are understood. I hope you all have done your homework. Let's begin with. Sandeep was playing in the garden. His mother was hanging washed cloth on the clothesline. Clothesline means to wash their hand, and we hang washed cloth. Okay. Suddenly, Sandeep called out to his mother. Okay. Sandeep was in the garden, and his mother is doing work. That she is washed their cloth. Okay. Then Sandeep called he was called his mother. Ma, see this pigeon is sitting on her egg. She will break down. Sandeep is telling to his mother that the pigeon is broke their eggs. Uh, he shout a pigeon in her nest sitting on the egg. He showed a pigeon in her nest sitting on the egg. Mother smiled. She was smiling at him and told him, Sandeep, she is not breaking the eggs. She was telling that she was not breaking their eggs. She is keeping them warm so that they may hatch and the baby can come out. She is telling that to Sandeep that she was not broken their eggs and she was giving warm to their eggs. Okay. Ma, I am came out from an egg. Ma, I also came out from an egg. Sandeep wanted to know. He was wanted to know that he was also came out from their egg. Mother sat down with Sandeep on the veranda and told him. She was sitting in veranda and told to Sandeep. Sandeep, all babies are a part of their mother. She is telling to Sandeep that all the babies are part of their mother. You are also a part of your mother only, na? Yes or no? Some animals give birth to babies, whereas some animals lay eggs. Most of the animals give birth to their babies. Okay, like human beings. Okay, and all the animals, they are giving birth to their babies, and most of the bird is they give lay eggs. Okay, animal like dog, cat, cow give birth to babies. Okay, even human beings give birth to babies. Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now next topic is bird and insect usually lay eggs. Okay, bird and insect, they both are usually give lay eggs. The mother bird sit on the egg to keep them warm till the baby grow in them. Okay, and the egg are ready to hatch when a baby is grow in the egg, and after that they are come out. Okay, once the baby are fully developed, once they are fully developed, baby is fully developed, the egg hatch and chick come out of them. Okay, understood. Once it is developed, baby is developed, then it is broke they are broke and they are come out. After this, the mother does not have to sit on them. After that, that baby that mother, they are not sit there, they are not sitting there. Now she feed the chicks till they are able to fly. Okay, they are too small. So mother, what she is doing, she give feeds to the chicks. Okay, till they are able. Feed means to give food. Okay, the process of keeping the egg warm till the hatch is called the incubation. Incubation means to keeping the egg warm. Okay. Now next is, how was I born? I born ma. Sandeep asked his mother. Who is asking? Sandeep to his asking his mother how was I born? A baby grow for 9 months inside the mother body before being born. Okay, what she is telling to mother, what mother is telling to Sandeep, that baby was grow in 9 month inside their mother body. Okay, at first the baby is like a tiny dot, and before it is become their tiny dot inside their mother body. Okay, over the 9 months all his body parts take shape and the fully developed. Baby take a different shape in his mother body only. Okay, and fully developed, they are fully developed. Born Baby is born after 9 months. After 9 months she or he will born. You were also born in the same way. Mother is telling to Sandeep that you are also born like a same way. Mother hugged Sandeep lovingly. Okay, mother is hugged Sandeep lovingly. Okay, so here we know that dog, cat, cow, human beings, and many other animals which give birth to babies are called mammals. These all are the mammals because they are giving birth to their babies. That is why we say that they are the mammals. Okay, their mother feeds their baby with their own milk. Okay, feeding means that mother give feed to their babies to their own milk. Okay, is it clear? And look after them till they are able to feed themselves. Now next is, as a mother got ready to go inside, uh, Sandeep held her hand. Okay, mother is going inside in his house and Sandeep hold her hand, mother hand. Okay, ma, just one more thing. Why Who are the foster children? He was asking to ma that who are the foster children. Okay, this is the question. Why do you ask this, Sandeep? Mother asked him in return. Who is Sandeep is asking question that who are the foster children. Okay, so mother is telling that why are you asking this type of questions? A new boy Ruchit, has become into my class has come into my class one day. Ruchit, he was studying the same school, and he was came in their class. One day I heard him telling his best friend that he was a foster children. Sandeep told her. He was telling to his mother that this new boy Ruchit, he was studying the in her class, in his class, and he was telling that telling to his best friend that I was a foster child. Okay, so he was telling to that who is a foster child. Okay, Sandeep, when children are born to a mother is a family. Are you understood? What she is telling to Sandeep that children, those who are born to their mother, that are the part of their mother. Is it clear? Their mother and father are called their birth parent because mother is giving birth to their own children, that are the birth parent. Okay, there are the some children whose birth part have either died, deserted them. Such children are given shelter in orphanage. Okay, and these are the birth children, and some children whose birth parents either died or deserted them. Okay, they leave them, or they are died, their parents are died, or they are throw them. So what deserted them, such children are given shelter in the from their people. Also from their people adopt them and take them into their family. So those who are not having their own children, so some of the people take a baby from there and adopt them. Okay, that are the adopt one. These children are called foster children. Okay, these are the foster children who adopt the baby. Okay, and their foster parents home become their own home. Okay, their foster parents home become their own home. They are uh, that is it clear? Mother told to Sandeep. Mother is told to Sandeep. Hope you all are understood. And after that, this question is that do you know a family which has adopt a children? So you have to do it yourself. This is your homework. Okay, in next video we will discuss question answers. Okay, thank you.